Here are 30 most commonly asked interview questions along with detailed and informative answers for a data governance analyst role. 1. What is data governance, and why is it important? Answer: data governance is the framework that ensures data is properly managed, secured, and utilized throughout its life cycle. It encompasses policies, processes, standards, and roles that define how data is collected, stored, and used. The importance of data governance lies in ensuring data accuracy, consistency, security, and compliance with legal regulations. Without governance, data quality issues can arise, leading to poor decision-making and potential legal risks. 2. Can you explain the role of a data governance analyst? Answer: a data governance analyst is responsible for implementing and maintaining data governance policies and procedures. Their role involves ensuring data accuracy, establishing data standards, monitoring data quality, and ensuring compliance with data-related regulations. They collaborate with various departments to ensure that data governance aligns with business objectives, manages metadata, and supports the creation of data dictionaries. The analyst also plays a critical role in data stewardship by promoting data literacy across the organization. 3. How do you approach implementing data governance in an organization? Answer: to implement data governance, I would start by assessing the organization's current data management practices and identifying areas for improvement. Key steps include: A. Establishing a governance committee with representatives from various departments. B. Defining clear data governance policies and roles, for example, data stewards, data owners. C. Creating a data governance framework that includes data quality, security, and privacy standards. D. Implementing tools for monitoring and enforcing governance policies. E. Ensuring continuous training and promoting data stewardship throughout the organization. 4. What are data stewardship and data ownership, and how do they differ? Answer: data stewardship refers to the role of overseeing the quality and integrity of data. Data stewards ensure that data governance policies are followed and that data remains accurate and secure. Data ownership, on the other hand, involves accountability for data within a specific business domain. Owners make decisions about access, use, and data quality standards. While stewards focus on maintaining day-to-day data operations, owners have higher-level responsibility for the data's strategic alignment with business goals. 5. What are data quality dimensions? Can you name a few examples? Answer: data quality dimensions are characteristics or attributes that define the quality of data. Some common dimensions include: A. Accuracy, how closely data reflects the real-world entities it represents. B. Consistency, ensuring data is uniform across systems and does not contradict itself. C. Completeness, data is complete with no missing values or gaps. D. Timeliness, data is up to date and available when needed. E. Validity, data conforms to the required formats and standards. 6. How would you measure and improve data quality? Answer: measuring data quality involves assessing data against established data quality dimensions: accuracy, completeness, consistency, etc. Tools like data profiling, data cleansing, and data validation are commonly used. To improve data quality: A. Establish clear data governance policies that define data standards. B. Regularly audit data and apply corrective measures where necessary. C. Use automation tools for real-time data validation and error detection. D. Provide training and awareness programs to ensure data stewards and users maintain quality standards. 7. What challenges do organizations face with data governance? Answer: common challenges include: A. Lack of executive buy-in. Data governance initiatives may fail if they are not supported by leadership. B. Siloed data. Data spread across disparate systems can make governance difficult. C. Poor data quality. Without a strong data governance framework, organizations struggle to maintain data accuracy and completeness. D. Complex regulatory requirements. Managing compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR or CC can be challenging. E. Change management. Implementing new data governance policies requires cultural change and may face resistance from employees. 8. How do data governance and data management differ? Answer. Data governance focuses on the overarching policies, standards, and accountability structures for managing data within an organization. It involves defining who is responsible for data, ensuring compliance, and establishing data stewardship roles. Data management, on the other hand, is the technical execution of these policies. It includes data storage, data security, data backup, and the operational activities around maintaining data systems. 9. What is metadata, and why is it important in data governance? Answer. Metadata is data that describes other data, providing information about its origin, structure, format, and context. It is crucial in data governance because it enables better data discovery, classification, and understanding. Metadata helps data stewards and users find relevant data, ensures proper data lineage tracking, and supports data quality management. For example, metadata can define the data's creator, when it was last updated, and its relationship to other data. 10. What role does data governance play in regulatory compliance? Answer. Data governance ensures that an organization's data practices comply with regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, etc. By establishing policies for data privacy, security, and audit trails. Data governance helps prevent non-compliance, which could lead to fines or legal action. Data governance frameworks ensure data is handled in accordance with industry standards, privacy laws, and internal policies, reducing the risk of breaches or misuse. 11. How would you define data lineage, and why is it important? Answer. Data lineage refers to the tracking of data's flow from its origin to its current state across systems and processes. It helps visualize how data moves, transforms, and changes within an organization. Data lineage is critical for auditing, troubleshooting, and ensuring data accuracy. It provides transparency for data governance by helping analysts understand data dependencies, improving data quality, and supporting regulatory compliance efforts. 12. What tools or platforms have you worked with to manage data governance? Answer. I worked with various tools to manage data governance, including A. Calibra, a data governance platform for data stewardship, policy management, and workflows. B. Informatica Axon helps in establishing data governance frameworks and ensuring compliance. C. Elation, a data catalog tool that aids in metadata management and data discovery. D. Tableau and Power BI for data visualization and understanding how governance impacts data insights. These tools support data governance by providing capabilities for managing data quality, metadata, and lineage. 13. How would you ensure data security within a governance framework? Answer. To ensure data security within a governance framework, I would A. Implement strict access control policies, limiting data access based on roles and responsibilities. B. Use encryption for sensitive data both in transit and at rest. C. Regularly audit data access logs to detect unauthorized access. D. Enforce data masking or anonymization for sensitive information when sharing with third parties. E. Align data security policies with broader cybersecurity measures and ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. 14. What is a data governance maturity model, and how would you use it? Answer. A data governance maturity model is a tool used to assess an organization's current data governance capabilities and identify areas for improvement. It typically has several levels, from initial like, ad hoc, or non-existent governance, to optimized like governance is fully embedded in the organization's culture. I would use a maturity model to benchmark current practices, set clear goals for improvement, and track progress over time. This would help in prioritizing initiatives and securing leadership support for governance programs. 15. How do you prioritize data governance tasks in an organization with limited resources? Answer: in resource-constrained environments, I prioritize data governance tasks by aligning them with business-critical objectives. I would A. Focus on high-impact areas such as regulatory compliance and data security. B. Identify data pain points, such as data quality issues or integration bottlenecks that affect key business operations. C. Ensure that tasks related to data that drive revenue or critical decision-making are given top priority. D. Leverage automation tools for data quality and governance processes to increase efficiency. 16. What's the role of a data dictionary in data governance? Answer: a data dictionary provides a comprehensive list of terms, data attributes, definitions, and rules related to the organization's data. It serves as a centralized reference for all data users to ensure consistent data understanding and usage. In data governance, the data dictionary helps maintain data quality by ensuring that everyone uses data in the same way, with a clear understanding of each term's meaning, data format, and permissible values. 17. How do you handle data governance for unstructured data? Answer: handling unstructured data requires a different approach than structured data. First, I would classify and categorize unstructured data, such as emails, documents, or multimedia, using metadata tagging. I would then apply governance policies for data retention, security, and compliance. Tools like Enterprise Content Management (ECM) or unstructured data governance platforms can help by providing searchability, data classification, and audit trails. It's important to integrate unstructured data into the broader governance framework to ensure it is governed alongside structured data. 18. Can you explain the difference between Master Data Management (MDM) and data governance? Answer: Master Data Management (MDM) focuses on the consistent and uniform management of key business data, often called master data, such as customer, product, or supplier data. Data governance, however, is broader and applies to all data within the organization. While MDM ensures that master data is clean, accurate, and consistent across systems, data governance provides the framework for how all data, including master data, should be managed, secured, and used. 19. How do you ensure continuous improvement in data governance practices? Answer: continuous improvement in data governance practices can be achieved by A. Regularly reviewing and updating data governance policies to adapt to new business needs or regulations. B. Implementing feedback mechanisms from data stewards and users to identify areas for improvement. C. Leveraging data governance metrics, for example, data quality scores, compliance rates, to track performance and identify trends. D. Using automation to reduce manual errors and increase the efficiency of governance processes. E. Promoting a culture of data literacy and stewardship to ensure governance remains a priority throughout the organization. 20. What are the most common data governance KPIs, key performance indicators? Answer: common KPIs for data governance include A. Data quality score measures the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data. B. Data accessibility evaluates how easy it is for authorized users to access data. C. Compliance rate tracks adherence to regulatory requirements and internal policies. D. Data issue resolution time measures how quickly data issues like inaccuracy, inconsistency are addressed and resolved. E. Data stewardship participation Tracks the involvement and engagement of data stewards in governance activities. 21. What steps would you take to align data governance with business objectives? Answer. To align data governance with business objectives. A. Identify the key data assets that directly impact business outcomes, for example, customer data, product data. B. Collaborate with business stakeholders to understand their goals and how data can support them. C. Develop data governance policies that ensure data is of high quality, secure, and accessible to support business decision-making. D. Regularly review governance practices to ensure they continue to meet evolving business needs. E. Promote data governance as a strategic initiative that drives business value rather than just a compliance requirement. 22. Can you explain the difference between data governance and information governance? Answer. Data governance focuses on the management and control of structured and unstructured data, ensuring data quality, security, and compliance. Information governance is broader and includes not only data governance, but also the management of information throughout its entire life cycle. This includes policies for handling records, documents, emails, and other forms of information. Information governance encompasses data, but extends to managing the information created from that data. 23. How do you handle sensitive data in data governance frameworks? Answer. Handling sensitive data within data governance frameworks involves A. Classification, identifying and classifying sensitive data, for example, PII, financial data, health information. B. Access controls, implementing strict access management policies to ensure only authorized personnel can access sensitive data. C. Encryption, using encryption technologies to protect sensitive data both in storage and during transmission. D. Anonymization, masking or anonymizing sensitive data where possible to minimize exposure risks. E. Regular audits, conducting regular security audits to ensure compliance with regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, or CCPA. 24. How do you manage stakeholder communication in data governance initiatives? Answer. Effective communicating with stakeholders in data governance involves A. Regular updates, keeping stakeholders informed about governance initiatives, progress, and issues through reports, meetings, or dashboards. B. Tailored messaging, adjusting communication based on the audience, providing more technical details for IT and more strategic information for executives. C. Workshops and training, organizing workshops to educate stakeholders on the importance of data governance and their roles. D. Feedback loops, ensuring that stakeholders can provide input and feedback and that their concerns are addressed promptly. 25. What is data retention and how do you implement data retention policies? Answer. Data retention refers to the policies and practices around how long data should be stored before it is archived or deleted. To implement a data retention policy. A. Regulatory compliance, ensure the policy meets legal requirements for data storage, for example, GDPR mandates on data deletion. B. Business needs, align retention periods with business needs, such as historical analysis or legal reporting. C. Automation, use automation to enforce data deletion or archiving according to policy. D. Communication, ensure all departments are aware of the retention policy and comply with it. 26. How do you manage conflicts between data governance policies and operational needs? Answer. Conflicts between data governance policies and operational needs can arise when governance constraints affect efficiency. To manage this. A. Risk-based approach, evaluate the risks associated with deviating from governance policies and weigh them against operational demands. B. Collaboration, work with operational teams to understand their needs and find a compromise that upholds data governance while minimizing disruption. C. Policy flexibility, Introduce flexibility into governance policies for low-risk situations, while maintaining strict compliance for sensitive or regulated data. D. Escalation process. Establish a clear process for escalating conflicts to senior management if needed. 27. What is data democratization, and how does it relate to data governance? Answer. Data democratization is the process of making data accessible to non-technical users within an organization to enable data-driven decision-making. It relates to data governance by ensuring that while data is made accessible, it is done securely, responsibly, and in compliance with governance policies. Governance ensures that democratized data is accurate, consistent, and used ethically, preventing misuse or security breaches. 28. How do you ensure data governance policies are followed across the organization? Answer. Ensuring compliance with data governance policies requires A. Clear roles and responsibilities. Assign data stewardship roles and hold them accountable for policy enforcement. B. Training programs. Regularly train employees on data governance policies and their importance. C. Automated enforcement. Use tools to automate policy enforcement, such as data validation, access control, and audit logs. D. Regular audits. Conduct audits to assess compliance with governance policies and identify areas for improvement. E. Executive support. Ensure top-level leadership supports and promotes adherence to governance policies. 29. What's the role of data ethics in data governance? Answer. Data ethics involves ensuring that data is used responsibly and in ways that do not harm individuals or society. In data governance, ethics play a critical role by guiding decisions on data collection, usage, and sharing. Ethical considerations include ensuring data privacy, preventing biased or discriminatory use of data, and maintaining transparency in data-driven decisions. Data governance frameworks must incorporate ethical guidelines to ensure data practices align with societal values and legal obligations. 30. How would you handle a data breach within a data governance framework? Answer. In the event of a data breach, the response within a data governance framework would involve A. Immediate containment, identifying the source of the breach and taking steps to contain the data loss. B. Notification, informing affected stakeholders, customers, and regulatory bodies as required by law. C. Investigation, conducting a thorough investigation to understand how the breach occurred, its scope, and its impact. D. Corrective action, implementing measures to prevent future breaches, such as improving security protocols or revising data access policies. E. Policy review, reviewing and updating data governance policies to address any gaps that may have contributed to the breach. For more exciting tips, tricks, and more importantly, for valuable insights of interviews, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It has a lot of valuable information about various insights of interviews. It has a wide range of real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for interviews, and it has wide range of most asked interview questions and answers of various technologies like data science, SAP, AWS, DevOps, and full-stack web development, and more that will be useful during interviews. It has a wide range of most asked interview questions and answers and real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for freshers, for 2 to 3 years, experienced candidates, and for 5 or above years, experienced candidates to test their skills by knowing most asked interview questions and make themselves ready for interviews.